Is this little bottle really a magic potion for your skin? Let's talk about the Ordinary's Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 1%. Does it actually live up to the hype? Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about skincare products on the internet. I've been using it for a while now, and I'm ready to spill the tea. So, what exactly is niacinamide? It's a form of vitamin B3, and it's a powerhouse for tackling blemishes, minimizing pores, and balancing your skin's oil production. The added zinc helps to calm things down and reduce redness. My experience: after a few weeks, my skin looked noticeably clearer and felt less oily, especially in my T-zone. It's not an overnight miracle, but with consistent use, the results are definitely there. It's super affordable and a great first step into active ingredients. Have you tried this serum? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you love skincare deep dives like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. See you next time.